God's purpose for marriage is for marriage to become a testimony.
Okwesine intando kaNkulunkulu ngomshado ukuthi umshado ube ubufakazi.
Our Christian marriage must become a testament of the gospel.
Imishado yethu thina abazalwane kufanele kube ifakazele ivangeli.
Our marriage must become salt of the world, light of the world.
Kufanele ukuthi imishado yethu ibe usawoti omhlaba ukukhanya kwezwe.
When people look at us as Christian couples,
Uma abantu basibuka njenga ithandani ezikholwayo,
they must desire to be like us
kufanele bafise balangazelele ukufana nathi
in character,
ngesimilo,
in the fruit of the Spirit,
ngezithelo zikamoya,
in integrity.
ngobuqotho.
We must become written epistles.
Kufanele sibe incwadi ezibhaliwe.
But if you are divorced,
Kodwa uma uke wadivorsa,
you spoil that testimony.